Earthquake in no time, getting into the water. Car is also in the water too.
Dude, is that a Shrek boat?
Yeah, they have little animals.
Meanwhile, Freedom Riders are just chilling, not even deciding to get in the water yet. It's a bold strategy. We'll see if it pays off. All right, they're starting to row out of the area.
I want the Shrek boat to win.
So far, so good. Freedom Riders leading a little bit. Cars, I don't know if you can see that, audience, but the Cars team is rocking a uniform mustache that looks pretty good from here.
Oh, yeah.
And they are continuing to motor forward here. Freedom Riders having a little bit of a problem there as their boat has some flex in it and it's starting to tip a little bit. They could go over the next few minutes. Touch, good job, guys. Meanwhile, Freedom Riders, Freedom Riders, they're both starting to fold. They're both starting to fold a little bit, taking on some waters now that they're struggling. I don't know, it's gonna be close, they're starting to go. There he goes. And it's so close, but they go down. Meanwhile, looks like our final boat here is doing just fine. Gonna cruise all the way into the final part here. They look like they've taken on little to no water, and they're gonna finish this heat in second place. Almost there.
Ears. I want the ears. Ogres.
Gonna make it and touch. Good job.
Looks like it's just like covered on tape.
I know.
Whenever
you're ready.
Hello. Today we have the PT Cruisers.
Now my question is, where's
All
the
they take for you
change?
guys to make the boat.
About 3 days. Yeah. Taping and everything.
Are you guys confident you guys are gonna make it?
Yeah. We taped a lot.
Are you guys scared?
Jasmine, you can move to the other side of the pool to get footage.
But we just rode faster, so it was fine.
Gentlemen, this is a three-way, neck for neck, across the pool. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do-do. Baby shark, you're going the wrong way. Meanwhile, these guys got some tacos that they need to be delivered right away. It's a rush order as they make it to the finish line out of nowhere. Touch. They are done. Power Rangers apparently still formulating a plan back there as they're finally beginning to move forward. The Shark team, listening to the song for a little bit, now beginning to get straightened up again, moving forward to the finish line. Both teams doing an excellent job. They're going to post good times here, but the Sharks are just going to edge out the Power Rangers.
Dang. I know. Woo. There, no.
Hello. Today we have the Power Rangers. So I saw you guys had a rough start. How'd you do comeback?
We just kind of believed, you know. I mean,
we were using our mighty morphing powers to kind of recuperate and get across the finish line. And
boats are at the starting position.
Really nice.
I'm so glad you guys made it across. Were you guys like scared for a second? Like,
oh heck yeah, we were scared, dude. Oh my gosh, that boat was not. Oh yeah, it started swaying back and forth.
How'd you guys recover?
We kind of just said screw it and started piling on one side, and then we ended up evening out. And in the end, we got through. Mighty Morphin Power Rangers.
Thank you so much. Oh my God.
Thank you.
2, 1, go, 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 go! All right, boats are getting lowered into the water, baby, taking things nice and easy this year. And I believe that's the hippies in the water. Yes, it is. Avo manning that boat with Isaiah now getting in the back. They've got all three members, and they are on their way. Powder Puff Girls starting as well. Right now, we got a pretty good race here. Paddles versus hands. Hippie's already lost a paddle there, broken right off the start. Oh, trying to do two paddles at the same time. That seems to be working as they're really starting to go forward. Banana boat riding a little low in the water. They could be losing it. And still going halfway across the pool. It's the Hippies. They seem to be showing no sign of slowing down. Powderpuff Girls apparently left something behind at the start because they're deciding to go back. But we've got the Hippie boat making a good time. Most of their paddles have fallen apart, but it looks like they're going to make it to the finish line without a problem. Meanwhile, oh no, the banana boat has sunk. The banana boat, apparently somebody built that boat and it's on its way to. Meanwhile, Powderpuff Girls still afloat, starting to get things going now, figuring out the paddling and move forward.
That was low key,
And they do this destroyed.
The Powderpuff Girls making their way to the side of the pool. Meanwhile, teams are getting ready for heat number 2.
Get out of the pool! Get out of the pool!
Is it Julie? Oh no, I thought that was someone else. They're actually kind of moving.
Powderpuff Girls staying afloat, looking for a time of, yeah, who knows? They just want to show their longevity and the ability to stay afloat for a long time. They built a solid craft here. Want to stay in the pool and have some fun in this cloudy weather. They made it halfway. They're actually about 3/4 of the way across the pool. Safety divers staying close, but I don't think they're going to be needed as the Powderpuff Girls are making their way to the finish line.
I've seen Quillen 3 times already. And I didn't go to my Spanish class this morning.
Really? Honestly, I bet he doesn't care.
And here comes the ladies getting close to the finish line. They're just splashing around.
It's gonna be me.
Gonna make it. Gonna make it. You're so close. Cheer them on as they finally make it. Woo! All the way across the pool. Great job, ladies.
Nice. Go to boat.
We already did.
Oh,
Brady got it.
I didn't even see you.
We went first. I was in the
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a little quiet in the audience. Make some noise for this next race as they start to go forward.
We should interview your team.
Huh?
We should interview your team.
Oh, now
I
pass.
think that's grave robbers on the outside. They're almost standing up. Actually, no, I take it back. That's Black Panther with Cole and Shane McGregor rowing hard. Meanwhile, Abstract in the middle lane is not having a problem coasting safely across the halfway mark. Look at this, Abstract not having a problem here as they're going to touch the side. Maybe showboating a little bit. They want to come in backwards. Look at that. As they make it across. Meanwhile, Black Panther and Grave Robbers neck and neck. It could be anybody's race. So close. So Black Panther! Uganda forever! Good job, fellas.
He didn't do it. He didn't do it.
Ram robbers, still close. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, boats heading into the water. Mr. Brady's taking a look here. Looks like the blue, white, and red boat coming out of the docks first. It's been pretty well. They've chosen the no oars.
I lead it.
Got. Ooh. Uh-oh. They were doing well, but now they're starting to turn back to the dock. Apparently somebody forgot his flip-flops. Who is that? Is that Scooby-Doo? Is that Titanic? That's gotta be one boat starting to tip. Are you sure that's not Titanic? The one really low in the water over there. But they're going, but they're going to go to the bottom. That's where they're going to go as they go under, right there. Let's see. Who we got? Can't do the boats.
It's okay, don't worry.
Two boats down, one boat left. They're gonna go fast. Oh! Looks like all the action here is in second lunge. The first lunge only had one. It's very crucial here to take your time to get your team in steady. You don't want to accidentally tip over. Oh, we got one boat pulling away here. Is that Anime? Anime is doing, wait, get off the side, Anime. Draw yourself in a different direction. Come on, keep going forward. A little push off the wall there, don't make it too hard. But looks like you're doing good, Anime. You're gonna be the first boat to get across. Moon Cheese. Oh, I was looking forward to taking a bite out of that cheese, but it's not gonna make its way across the pool. Meanwhile, we still got Anime doing well, and the Pirates taking their time. There's, I guess, no other ships for them to plunder, so they're just cruising. And the first boat across it for second lunch is the Anime boat with a time of 1:21. That's pretty good. Ensure they don't get wet.
That's cool.
The SSUC bound in blue. Everybody's looking at their natural hand paddles given to them at birth by their wonderful parents.
Bye.
TikTok in black there. They be chillin'. Nobody's gonna upload their video on TikTok, I can tell you that. Meanwhile, the trash boat in brown there, doesn't look too trashy, it's doing okay. We got UC Davis, those overachievers are gonna bring it home. We love our college brown Panthers, great job. We got SJW, Soviet, I can't read the sign, but it looks about right. Look it. There are two guys doing work and the third guy just chilling in the front. If that's not representative of communism, I don't know what is. Soviet Justice Workers. That's what it stands for. Okay, they're coming across here. Meanwhile, he's the captain of the boat. Cheering seconds. That was a good job, guys. And then we got the trash boat. Oh, nice save. Please make sure your boat makes it all the way across because we don't want trash in our pool. Keep going here, fellas. TikTok still doing okay. Are they? Yeah, time is ticking away for TikTok. They must have forgotten to change the battery in their watches.
I can have a track. Look, I'm not moving this.
Oh,
Yeah, they definitely are at different times. So Mr. Quella's getting some good ones here.
Track. There it goes.
did you get that?
They made it across safely,
From like Amazon?
and that's all that matters.
Honestly, dang, I'm super
One more
interested.
down here. Go hold it.
Yeah. Come on, fellas. We can't clock your time until you finally finish. So and I hope to get over quickly because I want my Krabby Patties. All right, and we're getting a little turn here. Looks like Flippin' Frog is starting to move out too. A little bit of a slight lean in their boat. Looks like we got about the time here for first. Krabby, SpongeBob here. Just make sure. Oh, collision! Oh, there's a battle at sea. Oh, look at that fighting between those two boats. Looks like SpongeBob is gonna get turned around in the battle. As long as they don't visit that pineapple under the sea, they'll be okay. Let's cheer them on! Like the SpongeBob boat, we thought they were there innocent in the first fight, and now they're going to attack the Flippin' Frogs! Look at these flashing battles! Flippin' Frogs trying to push down! Let's keep going! This is exciting! Woo! I haven't called a fight like this in 20 years! That's Flippin' Frogs taking on water now!
Hey, you can't hear anything.
As long as they don't tip over, they'll be okay. We got one boat already across. Oh! And it works! SpongeBob able to deal a final blow to the Flippin' Frogs. Meanwhile, SpongeBob is just, going back and forth from the right side to the left side of the pool, from the right side. They must be like swimmers or water polo players because that's normally the direction they go. But it's the other way, ladies.
Feels good.
Meanwhile, they're still just cruising along, smiling about the boat they just knocked out. Oh my! This is the third thing that they've crashed into. Ladies, I hope you don't have your driver's license. I'm a little afraid for myself leaving the parking lot later today. Yeah, this is not comfort boats by any means. All right, back.
No!
shark with an interesting angle on the front. Love the smiley face on the shark. It's got a little bit of a rock to it. Oh no! And we got one boat sink right off the start. Meanwhile, Fortnite doing good. Palin is across the pool.
Homeboy just cruising there.
Our Fortnite boat's got his coach yelling at him on the sidelines, telling him to use both hands. Apparently, though, the walls on the boat are too high.
Look at him, look on the thing. I'll zoom in. It's funny. Hilarious.
Our Fortnite boat, he's apparently not going to camp this race out and wait till the very end. He's going to go hard charge into the finish line. He's got a pretty good wake going there as he crosses the three-fourths.
Excuse me, sir.
Three-fourths of the way across the pool. Our shark boat's gotten things straightened out, and he's starting to get about the halfway point of the pool. Make some noise if you're a Fortnite fan, because he's almost to that side of the pool. This is one of your fellow raiders making it across the way here.
The little kid from the first yellow boat was right there, so I can watch.
Meanwhile, our shark boat's picked up some speed too. Looking pretty good. Fortnite almost there, just a couple of feet. And that's a touch. Make some noise. Great job.
Yeah.
It's like holding on.
I know.
Ladies and gentlemen, you will be able to catch replays of all the exciting racing action on the Corona Report. Sure. YouTube in the next couple of days. Check out Corona Report and you will find the physics boat races for 2019. They're going to drop the oars and use their hands, which seems to be a good strategy. They're making a pretty good pace here across the pool. They're riding a little low in the back, taking on a little bit of water with each paddle, but they seem to be holding up all right. If they can keep it balanced, I think they're going to make it across the pool without a problem. Again, look at that, go Gator, Gator power. Make some noise for them there, halfway across the pool. Looks like they're doing pretty well here. Not going to have any issues today. Looks like they've been doing this their whole lives.
Go this way, everybody gets their own lane.
Super close to the finish. They got about 5 feet to go. And here is the touch. Woo! Great job. They made it across the pool. They took on minimal water. Excellent job. Great construction, ladies.
Just ruined my shot.
And let's go that. It looks like the
Here, Corona High. Wow, both these rafts are well constructed here as the yellow boat's got a good lead, not taking on any water at all.
Blackpool not doing too bad, making it a quarter way across the pool.
I know. I know.
And we're getting more pool boats getting ready to Fortnite boat getting over in the starting area. Fortnite. Okay. Yellow boat doing it good, taking on no water, making his way across the pool. He's going to hit that finish line. Looking just on a nice, steady, straight path. Cheer him on as he's about to touch the wall. Make some noise. Let's go. Help him get there. Help him get there. He needs your support. And there it is. Across the pool. Great job.
Every day.
And our other boat halfway. Going straight and looking good.
I know.
No problems as he's going across nice and steadily in his pirate ship.
Oh, he has a technique. I see that. It goes to the side and the other side. It's really good.
Yeah.
He's got a lot of treasure on board that pirate ship. Did a lot of looting and plundering on the oceans here across our pool deck. Real close now, 3/4 of the way across the pool.
A little kid? Yeah. Want me to get in?
Hugging close to that wall. Looks like he's going to make it across without a problem, but make some noise, get loud in here, help him make it across. Let's go! Woo! He's just a few feet away. One swimming lane left.
Sorry. You're good, bro.
And we're almost there, and woo! Touch the side. Great job. Across the pool.
We have
Alright.
the first 5th grade winners, the potatoes. So,
Andrew, you guys ready?
like scared.
Andrew, how's the water temperature? It's freezing. Freezing cold. I hope your boat floats. Here we go. Let's get ready for this next round. Go ahead and lower your boats into the water.
Wait, no, 2 days, but then we had like weeks of like painting on paint. Yeah, and they would paint on the ceiling.
Well, you guys did absolutely amazing. Your boat was so
That
fast.
boat is extremely flying.
I was like, oh my gosh, she's done already. You look like you were so fine. You look like you're just going along. And I was so proud. I was like, wow, I felt amazing. But thank you guys for coming. Hope you guys had fun.
Thank you. You guys want to like wave bye if you guys get a little closer in?
All right.
Thank you.